with the big ball of them.
This world not enough for me. It's me and the chief singing off for me. Oh, good company. Energy feel no function. This love story. I've been thinking strong.
I've always wanted to be one of these high Alright guys, so my hair is a mess. I have a dentist appointment and I don't know where I'm going. Where the hell? Nope. I'm at the wrong place. Hello. I am back home from the dentist. It was a really weird experience. It was a little bit overstimulating. I haven't been to the dentist in a very long time. I'm ashamed to even say that. I think that's also why I didn't go, because it just got to a point where I never like how my teeth feel. I was a person that was always on my toes when it came to my teeth. That's the first thing people used to compliment about my teeth. They're so pretty, they're so white, they're so straight. Depression got the best of me. I just got really depressed. I was in a really bad place for a really long time, where I started honestly neglecting myself. It was embarrassing, so I had to step back and boss up and get back into character, because we're fixing it and it's now fixed. I also have a filling to do and I need to get an x-ray because I ain't got no wisdom teeth and they want to know why. That's pretty much it. I have some packages from Amazon, so we're gonna open that up. I'm about to trade in. I'm going to use my phone to film this if this dies, because I'm not gonna sit down and charge this and then do that. See me outside? Yeah, as I was saying, the camera battery literally just died. You are hearing my fan right now. Am I going to turn it down so you can hear me? Absolutely not. However, I'm just gonna open my package. The other sheet on Amazon, and I don't know what is in this other box. Oh my god, I know what it is. Oh my god, it's my pillow. So there's this pillow that I've been eyeing for a very long time. Didn't know if I was supposed to get it. Also didn't know what color to get it in. And I also ordered some makeup. Why don't I just do the sheet first? I saw these sheets. Somebody did actually post it on Twitter that, hey, Amazon is having a sale on these sheets, and the original price was like $70 and I got it for $20. And this is a whole bed set, king size, because I realized when I buy, so this is a queen size bed, right? And I realized that when I buy queen size sheets, they just don't fit exactly how I want them to. I like when my sheets are covering the entire bed. I'm gonna want a bed skirt. Me's not no granny. Me not buying a bed skirt. I want my sheets to cover everything. And you know the reason why I want my sheets long? It's because I have stuff under my bed. So yeah, if not, I would not even care. I would be tucking my sheets under the mattress if that weren't the case. But I have things under my bed. I don't like seeing the things under my bed, so therefore I want long sheets to cover everything. I'm gonna want a bed skirt that doesn't give in granny, so no. It's like a gray color. I wanted to buy one first to see how I liked it. One flat sheet, one fitted sheet, 4 pillowcases. That's nice. You normally get 2 pillowcases, but I got 4. Probably tomorrow I'll wash it and put it on my bed, because yeah, I want to put it on my bed. And then the pillow that I've been waiting for. The pillow I've been waiting for. So I'm so excited. I'm actually like so excited. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! It's a seashell pillow. Not gonna lie, I thought it was bigger. For the price of this, I really think they're gonna be bigger still. This is a little bit underwhelming. This is literally smaller than my throw pillow. It's still cute though. I'm going to buy another one. I feel like I need 2 now to just balance it. Oh my god! Seashell! Last couple things that I got this. And this is called the pink stuff. So they have the paste, they have it in this form in the spray bottle. I've been hearing about this pink stuff that is really good to get rid of stains. It gives a really good clean, and I needed it, so I said I wanted to try it out. If you keep up with me, you know, a few vlogs back I got an electric spin brush for my dad, and I said I wanted to get this and see how the both of them work together, because the brush is really good on its own, but I want to see how this and the brush work together. So and I give me none, but I give my user fight, or I'm just buying one. Why didn't I do that? I'm gonna just order another one and give it to him and keep. No, I wanted to test it first. Come on, I want to buy foolishness. So yeah, that's that. I got this little banana powder, and this is the Makeup Revolution baking powder. Although I thought it was gonna be bigger, but then again my powder is never really finished, so there's that. I got my hands on this elf camo concealer. I don't know why it look like this though, like say somebody use it. That's what it looked like. I didn't want my exact shade, I wanted a shade lighter. This mascara, because the one that I have is just not giving, and I saw this one, it's called Sky High by Maybelline. But just hope it work. I'm in a really nice foolishness. And that is the end of my haul. Yay! Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.
Because she loves it. She loves it.
So we're about to get. I'm just so tired. I'm so tired. Cheers. It wasn't so much. Or maybe I'm just. I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. Oh, na 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 na. Oh. Oh. Yes, I know y'all saw this shirt in my last video, but it's because it's the next day. I went to sleep in the shirt. Today is the Chris Brown concert. It is now 2:26, and I'm gonna start getting ready because showtime is at 6. I'm gonna want to reach there before that because I can't take the hustle and bustle. Yeah, that's what I say. I'm gonna take my shower right now, and I'm gonna work on my hair. I already know how to do my makeup and all that stuff. My outfit is ready. The way I'm nervous more do. I'm gonna go do that. You know, I'm gonna go do that. Alright guys, so I just had my shower. It is now 2:58. Let's see how long it will take me to get ready. So I have to do my wig, my makeup, and you know my outfit is already good. My makeup, I know it's gonna take an hour, so let's say I finish that by 5 o'clock. Then my hair should not take an hour, so I'm giving myself 2 hours. So if it is now 3, I should be done by 5. But let's see, let's hope, let's pray, because I also want to make some content in between, so I don't know how that's gonna work.
Ladies and gentlemen, right? All of the women never don't need a man from them, and we are the man in our ear right now. We're looking at crowd right now. You got it, man.
what the fuck I can't really do, huh?
I'm so glad to be yours. You're a bless of your own. You need me, what I need you. I do, I need God. Girl, you're my.
First stop, I'm getting my wax. So when I'm finished, I'll come back. It's obviously the next day, so.
Yeah. Just open on my phone and it's setting me straight. So I hop on the phone fast and I'm speeding. I just switched the only OGs, they delete it. All your friends says my names, they repeat it. And I'm like,
So I have this much left to do. I started my hair at probably 2. And it's now 3:20. And this is what it looks like. I don't even know if you can actually see what's going on. I'm not really sure how to feel yet because I haven't had braids in so long. I know I have a braided wig, but it's not really the same. Those braids are a lot bigger as well. This, I think I may like it, especially because of what I'm gonna do to some of the braids in the front. The trip is tomorrow. This vlog is going to be all over the place because sometimes I'm gonna have the time to like take out the camera and actually vlog. But I already got my wax. My wax was done in like 15 minutes per. That's why you must exfoliate and do your waxes when you should do them, so the process is very smooth every time you go. I have my laptop here. I was watching a vlog, but I forgot my charger, so this is basically going to die in the next 3 minutes or so. I have to go to the tailor. I still have not gone to the tailor. I don't know if I will be able to go to the tailor. That is kind of stressing me out, but hopefully my hair done by 5. Sound like fate, but I hope it finished by 5:30 or so I can go to the tailor and get my clothes altered because I need to get them altered. I really wanted to go somewhere and buy some jewelry, but that not really seemed possible, and the jewelry I have, they keep on disappearing, and the ones that I have left are, you know, very basic. Yeah, so that's tea. That's what's up. That's what's going on. My hair has grown so much. I can't wait until it grows some more so I can have a bob. When I go home, I'm gonna pack my stuff with you guys. I didn't get to buy any travel containers or look at packaging for put the clothes them in a sections and all that. Sorry, this is very last minute rebooking of the trip, so bear with me. It's also my first time out the country as an adult. It's been over 10 years since I've traveled, so I'm very nervous, but I'm getting excited. I'm not really excited yet, but hopefully tomorrow when I get into the airport and, you know, realize that all of this is actually real, that's when I'll start to feel excited. So yeah, it's in my head.
I want to say what kind of mad hairdresser this is.
My hair is done. It's not hard. You just have to, but like say I talk to yourself.
Someone can't say right now.
What, the elastic?
No, the accessory.
I gotta close my eyes because I don't really want to see the results yet. But this is what we're looking like. Hope you guys saw that. Goodbye. I never ate something so in my life. Braids itself, cool, cute, whatever. If you see me from the back, I'm cute. But it literally just reminded me how big of a forehead I have. And You know, she never take out as much baby hairs because I guess she never know how much I want, and I couldn't see in the mirror, so I never get for safe to tell her to draw out some more. I hate it. I'm sorry. I'm trying to like it, but I don't. I absolutely hate it. It's cute in the mirror, like cute, but here, and this will never be in a center part. Never, 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 never. Absolutely. One, because actually in a center good. The center is like right here. It's just off by a little bit. I'm stressed out. I'm not lie. I'm actually really stressed out. And then I come home to no water. This is what, 2 to 3 days no water in there. And I have to be sleeping out for go bed and all them something there. I just feel like I'm gonna have one big explosion. I'm just so pissed off right now. I'm so pissed off right now. Why am I landing up here? Water bill? Now I'm gonna have to go up on the road because I actually want something to eat and I'm not gonna cook. Well, I can't cook. No water is here, so I'm gonna have to go on the road. I'm not even think this battery even. Oh, this phone is not even charging as fast as I want it to, bro. It's literally on 4%. Like, I already feel ugly. I tried to pull out some baby hairs, but it's like, what is this? But I just want the hair get stale really fast, so you know the loose hairs them can come out. I'm gonna just draw them down because this is not it. Okay, this is not it. I'm gonna change my shirt.
In the cut with my twin, we be vibing.
Oh my chair. Chair home. People, I came home last night after drinks and you know getting my food at TJ, and I was just extremely tired because I was on the road from about 9-10 yesterday and I didn't come off till 11-12. Came back, tried to start packing. Yeah, everything is just an absolute mess. 7:30, I literally drop asleep on the bed with all of the clothes them and everything that I'm trying to pack. I literally drop asleep in one little corner on the bed. That's why I'm still in the same shirt, bro. So I'm just putting some stuff into these little containers. So this is a body butter and this one is soap. I want to bring a bar soap too because I'm sensitive. I need my kind of soap. The belly hurt me. I think I'm getting anxiety now, and you see when I have anxiety or I'm nervous, I get diarrhea. This is not funny. Yeah, I'm gonna pack some more things. I didn't get to go to the tailor at all, so those outfits are not gonna be able to make it this trip, so I'm gonna have to find some backup outfits. I found one so far. I'm gonna have to find 2 more. High key pissing me off, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna pack. Yeah.
It's not me, it's us.